You started strong. Day 1 was fire. New journal, new routine, new you. By day 14, gone. Journal under the bed, alarm off, back to scrolling. Every single time. The hidden enemy isn't laziness. You want to change? It's the novelty crash. You don't quit because it's hard. You quit because the excitement of starting wears off, and you never built anything to replace it. Here's what actually kills you. Trap 1. The honeymoon high. First 3 days feel amazing. You're motivated, unstoppable, but motivation is a drug. The high fades. When it does, you have nothing left. Trap 2. The perfection. Pivot. You miss one day. Just one. Suddenly, everything is ruined. So you stop. You'd rather quit than be imperfect. That's not discipline. That's ego. Trap 3. The boredom bail. Week 2 gets repetitive. Same workout, same routine. You get bored. So you leave. But boredom isn't a sign to quit. It's a sign you're past the honeymoon. That's where the real work lives. Trap 4. The comparison quit. You see someone further ahead, better body, better life. You feel behind, so you stop. You were never running your own race. You were chasing someone else's highlight reel. Here's the cost. You build a graveyard of half-started hobbies. You stop trusting yourself. Every new beginning feels like a lie. Your confidence erodes. Eventually, you stop starting at all. That's the real damage, not the failed habit. The failed belief in yourself. Here's the fix. Cut 80%. Keep one thing. Protect it like rent money. Forgive the miss. One bad day doesn't erase 10 good ones. Embrace the boring middle. That's where growth lives. Not in the exciting start, in the repetitive, uncomfortable, unglamorous middle. But here's the deeper truth. You already know what to do. You've watched the videos, saved the posts. Knowing isn't your problem. Starting isn't your problem. You quit when the feeling changes, when motivation leaves, when the high wears off. So here's your challenge. Next time you start something, 30 days. No quitting because you're bored. No quitting because you missed one day. 30 days. Then you decide. Not your feelings, not your Tuesday tired brain. You. Day 1 starts now.